everyone and welcome to this video. This is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee. I have a haul video to share with you today. I want to show you all the goodies I got from the mini catalogue. Now this came in to me, I don't know what date, July the 8th of July this came in. But it's taken a while for me to film this and get this up, so I do apologise, but better late than never. This is the new mini catalogue and it is beautiful. If you don't have a copy and you want one, then just send me a message and I will get one out to you. And I can now show you the inside, and there are some lovely things in here. Like here, I love this suite here, the gnomes. They're just gorgeous. And you've got the gnomes and paper and everything. So I'm going to show you what I got. This first video, it's going to be in 3 parts. This first video is going to focus on stamps and dies, punches, embossing folders, that sort of thing. So if that's your game, if that's what you dig, stay watching. So let's get started. So, gnomes, as I just said. Now, isn't this the cutest? Now, it's a Christmas set. Obviously, it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. But it doesn't have to be. This little gnome house, this little toadstool house could be used any time. As could these little feathers as well. They don't scream at you Christmas. So, it's a great, versatile set. I don't do the cutest. And, of course, you have the matching dies. You just have to. Just have to. Now, when I saw this next set that I'm going to show you, I was in heaven. I love it. It is amazing, and I just thought I have to have this. And it comes with matching paper and all sorts of goodies. Let me show you it. Santa delivery. Look, it's the Santa in the little train with the carriages, and you can have as many carriages as you want. Isn't it the cutest? And you've got all of this elf approved and sleigh delivered, special delivery just for you. Ho ho ho, Santa Claus is coming to town. I love it. Around my Christmas tree every year, I have a little wooden train set that I put. So this just really sang to me. I got it from our local garden centre, and it's just a lovely little train set. I also have a Lego Hogwarts train set as well that's electric that I can put on, and it can actually go right round the tree, but I don't always use that because the tree's in the corner. But I always use my little wooden set because it's an advent calendar, so it has the train, it has 2 carriages, and the carriages have all the little advent boxes. And oh, I just saw this, I just loved it. And of course, just has to have the matching dies. So you can tell I loved it. Next one I got to you is Celebrate with Tags. So this is a great sentiment set. Happy birthday even, so it doesn't have to be just Christmas. Merry Christmas, let's celebrate you, made with love. You've got the hearts, the balloon. They're a really versatile, great set for any time of the year. And then you've got the matching dies. Now these are the tags, and you can see they're a double tag. So you can use just one by itself, or you can make the double tag as you want, or you can fold them over and have a front and a back. And you've got 2 different styles of tag there, and also all the extra bits like here the snowflake, and this is meant to give you the snow falling, and you've got the balloon and the hearts. Really useful. You've even got here, if you can see, the candles. So really great set, really useful. All spruced up. This reminds me of a film I was just watching. Of course, on Movies 24 you've got July, Christmas in July, and there was one called The Pines and the Spruces, I think. And I was just watching that. So this reminds me of that. And you've got the trees and all little bits and bobs to decorate and stuff. And of course, matching dies. Now, Snowman. Now this is hilarious because I'm filming this today, which is the 15th of July. And we are due a heat wave this weekend like we haven't had in a while. It's due to get up to nearly 40 degrees in some places. It could actually break the record for the highest temperature in the UK, which is 38 point something. So thinking about a snowman when we're going to hit maybe 30 or 40 degrees is just hilarious. But we can dream of cooler weather, and I think, to be honest, 90% of us are dreaming, if not more, of cooler weather. So let's pretend. You've got your little snowman, you've got all these things to decorate with. You've got the little arms, you've got the carrot nose, you've got the eyes, mouth, you've got scarf and glasses and hats and your little Tweety birds and a little rabbit and all sorts, and some lovely sentiments. And then of course you can cut everything out with the matching dies. So really nice set, and we can dream of cooler weather. Last bundle I've got here, and I should have said all of these come, either you can buy them separately or you can purchase them as a bundle. If you purchase them as a bundle, you get a 10% discount, so always a good thing. Here we've got this nice little wreath, and you've got actually some different types here, like the spider. Well, I can tell you I won't be using that at all. I don't like spiders. They can stay outside or away from me, and I'll stay away from them, and we'll both be happy. And you've got the wreaths here, and you've got some berries, and you know, acorns, and you know, all sorts to decorate here. And then of course you've got the matching dies, and you can see you've got 101 dies almost. You've got like the bow and everything here. So this could be, you know, a spring wreath, it could be a summer wreath, it could be whatever you want to make it really. You can have any time of the year Christmas wreath. It's, you know, very versatile, as I've said before, for a lot of other stuff is. So now some punches. We have some new punches, and I love punches. I'm definitely a punch girl. If you know me, I sell quite a bit of my retired stock, but not my punches. I love my punches, and I have drawers full of my punches. So this set is called Handmade Wishes, and you've got some nice sentiments: Christmas, New Year, holidays with love, peace for you. And then you've got this lovely label, or lovely shaped punch here. You can see my setup here, my camera. There you go. Okay, one more punch. This is Christmas Scotty. And now, I mean, I think the Scotty dog could be used any time of the year, but you know, Scotty dogs aren't just for Christmas. Dogs aren't for Christmas, they're for all year. And I love it. I don't know about you, but this little doggy wog reminds me of Jock from Lady and the Tramp. And if you have a kid who loves Disney, likes Lady and the Tramp, that kind of thing, you can make your own fashion with this little Scotty dog. So cute, with his matching punch and a little bow to go around his neck. Oh, so cute. Adorable. And then I've got one more punch to show you here, and this is the very best trio punch. Whoopsie Daisy. And you can see it cuts out these 3 different images. You know, you put it in and it will cut out. There's an edge punch. Okay. A die. This is called the something dies. I don't know what the name is. Let's look at it and see. Let's see. What are these name of these dies? Let's have a look and see. Designer treat box dies. So you've got here on the one side your little treat box like that. That's quite a small treat box, as you can see. But it'll be darling just for, you know, putting in a small treat, like, you know, one little piece of fudge or toffee or something. Really sweet for Advent. And then you've got all the Advent numbers here. And you can also make it into different things. So you can make it into a bat shaped. You've got the ears here. You can make it a bunny rabbit, all sorts, and you can draw a face on the front. There is a matching stamp set, but I didn't get that. But really nice set. We'll be using this for definite in Card Club, I can tell you that, because I have an online card club that I run in my Facebook group once a month here in the UK, and we craft together once a month via Facebook Live, and you get the kits around the second week of every month, and then we have some fun crafting together. So if that interests you, do check that out. The links are in the description box below. More stamps. Snow Crystal, this lovely background stamp, as you can see. And then we've got these. This is actually Hostess set, but it's a gorgeous one, the caroling mice. I think it's going to be real fun to colour in. They're just so cute, little darlings. Reminds me of the Little Mice of Bramley Hedge. If you're of that age, you'll know what I'm talking about. So here you've got some lovely sentiments, some jingle, jingle, jingle. And you've got jolly, believe, jingle, jingle, jingle all the way. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Believe in the magic. Nice set. And 2 more things, and then we're done with this video. This is a leaf 4 embossing folder, and you can see the pattern there. And then this one is Whimsical Woodland, and you can see this lovely trees there. Okay, so that was all my stamps, dies, embossing folders, punches, etc. from the mini catalogue. As I said, if you want a copy of this catalogue, then just leave me a message, and do stay tuned for part 2, which is going to be linked below, and I'll be back with the paper, embellishments and everything else. So, see you in a second. Bye.